Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is McDonald's worker turns a simple paycheck issue into 3 felonies. Man, not one, not two, but 3 felonies, man. Wow, let's get into it.
When this McDonald's employee got fired after only working 1 week on the job, he has a complete meltdown and embarrasses himself over his only paycheck.
1 week?
Hello. How are you? Good, how are you? Somebody call?
Hi.
Hello.
So, I already explained to him, we get paid on
you
the
want to listen to
4th.
her first? She doesn't know why I'm even here.
Okay.
I know you're here
Where
for
are you here?
check.
Okay, so why I'm here is I spoke to Jose, that's the store manager, right? That's the guy that hired me. I got hired 2 weeks ago. He told me a week ago that I could pick up my check Sunday the 19th. That's when we get paid. I asked him, can I come in on Sunday the 19th? Will my check be here? He said yes. That's the day we get paid, the 4th and the 19th. Is that correct? Yes or no? She's telling me to come back tomorrow.
Okay.
I don't believe that. He told me I could come in today. She's refusing to give me my money that I work
Well,
for.
is he here?
Oh, he's not here.
Will he be here today?
No, he's off on Sunday.
Okay.
I can walk you to the back.
No, I need my money because
Okay,
he told
she
that's a
doesn't
store
have
manager.
your money.
They have it back there. He told me to come back. I'm
Sir,
not
I
going
can
for
walk
that.
you back there. I can show you. We don't have any pay stubs. We don't
Okay.
have any.
So why would he tell me that then? Why would he tell me that?
We get paid on the 4th and the 19th, but since you're
The 19th is a
the
Sunday.
It's a Sunday. We don't. It's not open.
That doesn't make no sense. So why would he tell me to come back on the 19th? If you guys weren't gonna have it, why
Maybe
would you
he
say
didn't
come back?
realize
On
the 19th was a Sunday.
Why wouldn't the store manager know that? But that's neither here nor there. That's what he told me. That's what I was heard last.
well,
I came to pick up my
He
check.
appears to have told you wrong. So they don't have it.
What's your name?
Lizik, L-I-Z-I-K, badge 4890.
Yeah, I just want my money that I work.
Okay, well, you're not going to get your money today because they don't have it.
Okay.
You'll have to come back
Have a
tomorrow.
good one.
All right.
I want
Is
you
there
to get out of here.
Okay, they need you to leave. They need you to leave. What's your name, man? Hey.
Hey, I got you, bro. Don't worry, you ain't safe, bro. I got you. I got you. What
Okay,
time you up?
Go.
What time
Get
you
out
up?
of here. Get out of here.
Oh, you a racist ass. Why
Y'all
not
are racist for what? Because I'm telling you to leave because they want you to leave?
Oh, I got you too.
Hit the bricks.
Hit the brakes. Okay.
Go.
Come on, man. Why does everything gotta turn into race when you just threatened them? Like the employee or whatever. The employee wants you to leave, and then you turn around like, all right, I got you, or whatever he just said. I forget what he just said, but let me see. Let me run it back real quick. Let me run it back.
They need you to leave. What's your name, man? Hey.
Hey, I got you, bro. Don't worry, you ain't safe, bro. I got you. I got you. What
Okay,
time you up?
Go.
There we go. Yeah, you ain't safe. You ain't safe. Like, come on, bro. Like, you acting like it's common sense. If he says, yo, if whatever day y'all supposed to get paid falls on a Sunday, you ain't gonna get it till the next day. That's common sense. That's just like, that's like regular bank issues or whatever too. Like, that's regular like stuff. Like, come on, bro. Sometimes like if you get paid on a holiday, you ain't gonna get paid that day. You might get paid the day before, the day after, because that's how things work. Like, come on, bro. Common sense, bro. People ain't got no. I'ma just let it rock, man.
What time
Get
you
out
up?
of here. Get out of here.
Oh, you a racist ass. Why
Y'all
not
are racist for what? Because I'm telling you to leave because they want you to leave?
Oh, I got you too.
Hit the bricks.
Hit the brakes. Okay.
Go.
Hold on. I got you too. Hold on. So you telling me to leave off the premises that I worked at, and they owe me money, right?
You
And
no
we get
longer
paid
you
today?
no longer work here, correct?
No.
Okay, they want you to leave.
No.
If you don't leave, you're trespassing. So go.
You suck my dick.
Go.
You suck my dick.
Time to go.
Don't put
Time to
your
go.
hands on me.
Time to go. Time to go. Time to go.
I ain't gotta go nowhere, bro.
You got to get off the property.
I want my money.
All right, if you don't get off the property and they...
Call your sergeant. I want your sergeant present.
No, get
I
off
want
the
your
property.
sergeant. No,
Go to the police department and talk to
I
them.
want your sergeant.
Go to the
If
police
I ask
department
for
and talk. They're all
Officer,
busy.
hold
Go to
on
the police
one
department and talk to
second.
them.
If I ask for... You're a public servant, bro. Don't talk to me. I'm done talking to you. I don't answer no
Go to the police department if you want to talk to a sergeant.
If I request for a sergeant, I'm not done talking to you.
They're all
If
busy
I
right now.
How do you know that?
Because I'm listening to the damn radio.
Okay.
Time to go. Time to go. Are you going to leave or not?
Yeah, he gonna leave in cuffs. Trespass after
You want to sign
warning.
complaints for trespassing if he doesn't leave? You want to sign complaints for trespassing if he doesn't leave? Okay.
I don't want to talk to him, so you can...
Okay, well, if you don't leave, you're going to get cited for trespassing.
I don't care about you leaving me.
And then if you still don't leave, you're going to get arrested.
You have a good day, Lizzie.
You too.
Okay, bye. Bye. Hop in your car and go.
No. I'm gonna.
That's a tyrant. I'm done talking to him, right?
Okay,
That's
now you're off the property. That's all I'm concerned about.
Now you can go. Have a good one.
You have a good one, too.
Somebody, you can go now.
You have a good one too.
You can go now. So if you can track it, chill. So if I'm trespassing, how am I gonna pick up my check tomorrow? Listen. Hold on.
Call the
Listen, how am I gonna pick up my
Call
check?
the manager and make arrangements with the
I
manager.
don't have his number.
Okay, well, not my problem, is it?
Okay.
Is he trespassing?
If he doesn't leave, she will sign a complaint.
What do you think? You American? You American?
I was born here.
Oh, okay. The shit ain't gonna last forever, bro.
What's not gonna last forever?
Power?
What power?
Your power?
My power?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I'll retire. I'll retire someday.
Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
But right now I'm doing my job, and you need to leave.
What's your job?
Law enforcement.
What is that?
We can just have a debate, or you're gonna leave. Do I have to cite you, or are you gonna leave?
Bro, I'm not on the property, man.
Okay.
So how you doing, sir?
I'm alright. How are you?
I'm good.
Alright. So you're not gonna get
What's your badge number, man?
4890.
Can I get your card?
Nope.
Why not?
Because I don't have a card on me.
I would like a sergeant then.
Okay, go to the police department and talk to
I
him.
don't have to go fucking nowhere.
Okay.
I don't have to go nowhere if I ask for a sergeant. You're not
Stay
supposed
right
to give it to
Hey,
me?
Dave,
No.
we're backtracking here.
You can go talk to him at the police department. They're busy right now.
You a real bitch. You know that?
Am I?
You a bitch, bro.
Am I?
You really are. And your kids are,
Did
too.
you used to live on in the
Your
circle?
kids. Of course.
I don't have kids.
I used to live on Jefferson, too. I used to stay in Wheaton, too. I don't give a fuck if you
And
know
your mom
anything
kicked you.
about
And your mom kicked you out, right?
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. What does that have to do with anything?
I understand.
Your kids are probably bitches just like you, bro.
He comes back.
Okay, I got you.
We're
I got you. I just
gonna
want him
go.
to know. I just want him to know that he's like, man.
Now you touched him, though.
He touched me.
Dave,
He touched me over there. Did
I
you
was
not touch
getting
me?
you out. I did, because I was
Okay.
escorting you
if
out
you
of the
step back over
place.
here
Okay, that's
on
cool.
this, you'll get
That's
a
cool.
ticket.
That's cool.
Do you understand?
That's cool.
We're gonna go.
What kind of is that?
A black one. Yeah. I know. I'm sure they do. I'm sure they do. I'm not married.
While the primary officer updates headquarters about the situation from his cruiser's radio, the suspect tries to re-enter the establishment, despite being warned about trespassing.
What? Am I arrested?
You're under
Am I being
arrest.
detained? Okay.
You're under arrest.
Okay, that's cool.
A hard head gonna make us all fast, boy.
Got his right arm.
Oh, all that trying to be tough, isn't it, man? Stop
Trying to be
it,
tough.
bro.
Stop.
Stop it, bro. I'm gonna get my check tomorrow, boy.
Okay.
Bro, all that tough shit, stop, man.
Stop it.
Stop what? Stop what?
Stop.
See, that's where cops go wrong right there. That's where cops go wrong. I ain't gonna be on a couple hours.
You will. You will.
Am I tempted?
Your plate comes back to Stonewall.
Wait, listen, I can't wait, bro. Get my phone. Get my phone.
We'll get it when we're ready.
Okay. I can't wait, man. Okay. When do you think pigs will fly?
When we get wings.
I know. Well, you'll be the first one.
All right.
Yep. I'm not gonna add no more charges, man.
Okay.
I just can't wait till the next crime I do. You be there, bro.
I will.
I hope so. I'm gonna ask you a question.
Okay.
You try to be a good cop, right? You tried to, right? Be honest. Be honest.
Oh, you were told to leave.
I know.
I can't wait till the next crime I do.
Get revenge.
What?
Don't worry.
All right.
I'm gonna get revenge. I promise you.
Hey, Dave, you turn face up like that. Anything on your shin here, bud?
Yeah.
What? What's that?
I'm black. I'm black. You heard me?
Any weapons on you?
Yeah. Oh, hurry up, man. So I can get to the station.
Stop pulling away. Stop pulling away.
Bro, I don't care.
Stop pulling away.
You got body cam on you?
I do.
Good. You should be arrested.
All right.
Thank you.
Right now, you're arrested.
Boy. Get my shit.
Put your leg in.
Get my shit,
Put
bro.
your leg in.
Get my shit.
We'll get it when we're ready.
Get my
Put your leg in.
shit. Get my shit.
Pick yourself.
Get my shit, boy. Get my shit.
Put your
Get
leg
my
in. Put in your stuff.
Get
Put
my
your leg in and we will get it.
Get my shit, bro.
It will be picked up.
Get my shit. Bro, I don't care about no fucking suit, bro.
Put your feet inside here, bud.
Get
Why
my
are you
shit.
Why are you doing this?
Get my shit.
Your stuff is going to be picked
Get
up, and
my
not while you're
shit.
doing this.
Get my shit. Get my shit.
We'll get it. Put your feet in.
Suck a dick.
Put
A
your
black
feet in.
one at that.
Put your feet in.
Put your feet in, bud.
Get my
Put your feet in.
Get my shit.
It will be picked up.
Get my shit.
After
Like
you
I
put your feet
said.
in.
Get my shit. Like I said. We could be here all day. Get my shit. Get my shit. Oh, what the heck, bro? Get my shit, bro. What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga? What is wrong with you? Get my shit like I said. Break a bone. I want you to. So I can sue this fucking department. Break something. Break something. Break it. Break it. Close the door on my foot too while you at it. Get my shit like I fucking said. What is wrong with you? Break something. I want you to. When I get out, I'm going straight to Edwards. I'm going straight to Edwards. What are you talking about? Break something. Need me. Do it. Stupid fucking shit. Pick it up, you dumb bitch.
No, I'm not.
Stupid.
No, I'm
I don't
not
get no
gonna pick it up.
fuck.
I don't know who that wall belongs
I
to.
don't get no fuck. I'll spit on your stupid ass. Fucking get ass ray gun you got on your arm, you fucking punk.
Okay. All right.
All picked up.
McDonald's off River.
Stupid boy. You a bitch, and America's gonna follow you, dumb fuck. You stupid fuck. You think this is gonna last forever? You dumb fucking stupid. You're fucking stupid. You're fucking stupid. Think this shit gonna last forever? You dumb fuck.
Dave.
Nobody fucking likes you. What don't you understand? Nobody fucking likes you. Who the fuck likes you, bro?
Everybody.
I'm sure they do. I'm sure. Somewhere. Nobody fucking likes you. Stupid. Tyrant.
So, the 47
Tyrant. Stupid. Got more education than you. What? Are you just a high school? What? Diploma? That's it? Yeah. Stupid, bro. Stupid. Dumb as
Pick your wallet up. Take your feet back in now.
Did you want someone closer as well? I think they have an ETA now about 12 minutes. I don't know, we should jump in.
Dave, we
I
pick your
hope
wallet.
Lesnick, man. I hope Lesnick's next time.
We pick this wallet up.
Here, bro. I'm not gonna harm him or nothing. I'm just gonna play with him. I'm just gonna play with you, bro.
You
I'm
play
gonna
with
toy
me?
with you. I'm gonna toy with you, bro.
Play what? Tiddlywinks?
No, you gonna see. I hope you get called out, bro. You just a racist fuck, bro. You're just a racist fuck, bro. You're a stupid fucking prejudice, stupid ass fucking.
Hey, you're the one who's making
Yeah.
racist
I don't want
comments.
to make racist comments.
Nah, bro. Nah, you are. See, that's that like semantics, reverse psychology. You're the one doing it. You're the one. You're the one. Double speaking, bro. I'm not fucking stupid, bro. I just hope you feel good, bro. What you do? Hope you feel good, man. You got like a little badge, post officer badge, gun, taser. Like, bro, you ain't. I'm just being honest, bro. You're not without it, bro. I guarantee you, I put this on everything I love. If you didn't have all that gadgets and equipment and you would not be the same person. You'd be a fucking coward, bro. That's what you are. That's what you're known for. A fucking coward. And you smile because you know it's the truth. You're a coward, bro. You really are. You're a coward. And I hope you know that. You have a license to kill, bro. A real threat doesn't need a license. They're a threat. You're a bitch because you need to establish that threat. That you have a license to kill, bro. You're a bitch. I want you to know that.
Oh my God. What are we doing here? Are we just gonna sit here and watch him just spiel this rhetoric the whole time for 15 minutes? Like, are you guys gonna put him in the car or what? Like, let's go. We gotta go to the county jail. We got things we gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's going on here? Like, we're just sitting here hanging out.
You really are. You're a bro. And I hope your father's I hope he's proud of you, man. Whether he's here or not. He raised the bitch. He really did. And it's in your bloodline. So, I just hope you know that. And whenever, you feel like you're a man or man enough, then we'll go from there.
He's trespassing. He left the property, came back on, and he was disobeying him. He's like, oh, no, I just want to go
I
use
would
the
like a
bathroom.
sergeant. I would like a sergeant.
Here you
I'm
go.
right here.
Oh yeah, excuse me, sir. So I came to pick up my check. This is neither here nor there. I'm just telling you why I'm here.
Okay.
I came to pick up my check. I talked to my store manager, the one that hired me a week ago. He told me to come here on the 19th, Sunday, to pick up my check. I came. The lady that I ended up walking out on, she's in there. She said you can't pick it up till tomorrow.
Okay.
So I said, okay, well, can I speak to the store manager? He's not here, this and that. I don't know why the store manager would tell me to come up here on the 19th. She's not the store manager. So then Lesnick comes on the scene. He's trying to forcefully remove me off the property. He said, okay, they want you trespass. I get off the property, he was right here. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go use the restroom. Oh, write him a ticket. So how does a ticket go from me trying to go use the restroom to me being
Because you're just not supposed to be here. That's the bottom line.
Okay.
It's by the management. It's not our call.
Okay.
That's their call. So he's going to give you a ticket for that. But then I don't know. Then that must have.
What happened? What happened in between the phone and the voids?
Well, he doesn't want to identify
He
himself.
pushed
either.
past me and tried to pull open the door.
See, that's that cop shit I'm talking about. That's that cop shit right there that I'm talking about. That came later. Me failing to identify, that came later. I was in
Okay.
handcuffs after he.
Well, that's how. It sounds like that's how we got
So,
here.
Thank you, Sergeant. Thank
Yeah,
you.
no worries.
Thank you. Ow. Okay.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.